Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. Today again we have come up with a very interesting topic, that is difference between immigration and immigration. Although the pronunciation of the both things is very much similar, but the definition is very much different. Understanding the difference between migration, immigration and immigration. Everyone on the planet needs to improve the personal satisfaction, regardless of whether as far as financial, religion, training, and social viewpoint. Every one of these words like relocation, migration, and movement and identified with developed. What is the migration and who are the transist? The term traveler is related with the word foreigner and the wanderer, and it began from Latin. The Latin word relocated intent to move, starting with one spot then on to the next, and brought about the development of words like travelers and move. You can utilize the word relocation when you need to tell about the individual who are moving to the new spot and they would prefer not to tell where they come from and where they are moving. Relocation is not tied in with living in the new spot of eternity. What is immigration and who are workers? A worker is an individual who moves to another nation forever the needs, the identity of the country. They leave their local country for better future freedoms. The movement is the demonstration of moving to another country. The most ideal approach to relocate the word is recall its prefix mm. Mm is gotten from the Latin word which portrays that the foreigner is an individual who comes into another country. This word applies just to individuals. What is immigration and who are displaced people? Displacement is the way towards leaving the area or country. So the traveler is an individual who leaves for a different nation. It is additionally to perpetual move. It is prefix in the Latin language that implies out of. Migration and immigration. The intertuning part is that an individual can a settler or migrant both. For instances, when the George moved from the Texas and the Sweden, he was a traveler from the Texas and the worker of Sweden. The relation, what changes in the implication of the words. A settler heading off to some place, an exiled person is from some places, albeit in the two words identity with the development, their prices importance lies in their application. Basically, resettlement implies living in the nation to get comfortable and unfamiliar land for all time, and migration implies entering the country and settling forever. Impact of immigration. Outsider are an extraordinary wellspring, the bringing monetary, social and social advantage to different nations. It has additionally brought about the rise of multicultural social orders. The USA is the state where individuals from one side of the planet to the other come to life for all time. The quantity of individuals from various identities have improved the way of life of the USA, and that is the reason it is known as blend. The migration integration is exceptionally extensive or dreary, and it's required monotonous desk work. One of the significant prerequisites is that every one of the archives that are not in English should be converted into English by guaranteed interpretations. Impact of immigration. At the point when individuals move to another nation, spending on purchaser item and the quantity of the workforces descends, your nation will be profit by this if the work market is oversaturated and will drop down the jobless rate. Impact of migration. Relocation is a development of individuals starting with one lasting home, then on to the next. Individuals frequently have a decision to move. However, now and again they are compelled to move. The justification leaving the spot is known as the push factor. Difference between migration and immigration. For more detail, you can visit to our company website, that is www.offshoring.com. I hope guys this video is very helpful for you. If it is so, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet you very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.